Hi guys, today we are going to talk about causes of worms in vagina. The worms in vagina are generally the threadworms or pinworms, which generally invade the intestinal tract. In case you see the worms in or near the vagina, they have just wandered there. They did not originate in vagina. One can get these vaginal worms from eating raw or uncooked meat. They latch on the intestine and take all the nutrients, thus causing nutritional deficiencies in humans. These worms create intense itching. Exposure to animal feces or perhaps produce that had been treated with manure and not properly washed can also cause these threadworms that can be seen as worms in vagina. Symptoms of worms in vagina. You can see the worms in your POO. They look like pieces of white thread. These worms are more common in children and can be easily spread. They can also cause intense itching around the anus or vagina, especially at night. The irritability caused by the worms in vagina can keep you up at night. Some of the other signs of these worms in vagina include weight loss, itching, and vaginal discharge in girls, etc. The threadworms can migrate into the vagina and up into the uterus, where they can cause inflammation and infection in the female reproductive system. They may cause symptoms of pelvic pain, fever, and abnormal discharge from the vagina. These worms may also cause infection in the vagina, and this infection is known as vaginitis. With these worms in vagina, you may have irritation and itching for which your doctor may prescribe you antibiotics. Treatments of worms in vagina. Worms in vagina or the threadworms could be treated by purchasing medicine for threadworms from pharmacy. These medicines are generally chewable tablets or liquids. If you are pregnant or breastfeeding, then it is essential for you to talk to your doctor before taking these medicines for the worms. Antibiotics may be prescribed by your doctor to treat the irritation and itching caused by the worms in vagina. Natural remedies for worms in vagina. First, verify the existence of the worm at the rectum by placing a clear tape at the opening and observe. Many women have had effective relief from the intestinal worms that ended up in the vagina. Diatomic earth matter. This is a finely ground powder dirt that can be used as an effective natural remedy to treat the worms. The granules' coarse texture annihilates the worms and aids to pass them out of the body. You need to take 1 tablespoon of this diatomic earth matter daily, so as to get rid of the infestations. Garlic. Garlic is a well-known natural remedy for many ailments, and it can also be used to treat the worms, as it is a natural antiparasitic. Eating it or inserting it directly into the rectum could treat the worms in an effective manner. First peel the garlic and then put a small slit in the clove for the juice to exit and disperse. Other natural remedies. Make sure that the meat that you cook is cooked thoroughly at proper temperature. Also, clean your hands and undernails properly after cleaning and cutting meat products. Do not handle the excrement without gloves, while cleaning up your pets. Also, do not walk barefoot where animals' feces may be present on the ground. Conclusion. It is essential for you to treat the threadworms that might migrate to the vagina and cause irritating symptoms. These worms in vagina requires a proper diagnosis from the doctor and effective treatments too. Check our description box, get more information. PLS, subscribe our channel.